To make the blouse, you will need 360 grams of this yarn, a needle, a 4mm crochet hook, and scissors. The recommended needle for this yarn is 4mm. For a medium size, you will start making 200 chain, a chain of 200 stitches. Once you have the 200 stitches, you have to chain 2 and make 1/2 double crochet on each stitch, 1/2 double crochet on each chain. On the row number 2, you have to start with chain 3, and you have to make 1 double crochet on the first stitch, now you have to skip 1 stitch and make 1 double crochet. Now you have to make 1 double crochet on the previous stitch. You made 1 crossed double crochet. Repeat the same, skip 1 stitch, skip 1 space and make 1 double crochet on the following space. And now make 1 double crochet on the previous space, making like a crossing. And you have to repeat the same to the end of the row. You have to skip 1 space and 1 double crochet, and then you have to make the 1 double crochet on the previous stitch. You have to repeat the same to the end of the row, finishing with 1 double crochet. Row number 3, you have to start with chain 3, and you have to make 1 double crochet on each double crochet. 1 double crochet on each double crochet. Row number 4, you have to start with chain 3, chain 1, skip 1 space and make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 space and make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 space and make 1 double crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end of the row. You have to finish the row number 4 with 1 double crochet, and you have to repeat the same on the row number 5. You have to chain 3, chain 1, skip 1 space and 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 space and 1 double crochet. Rows number 6 and 7. You have to make 1/2 double crochet around. You have to make 1/2 double crochet on each stitch. On the row number 8, we have to repeat the row number 4, so chain 3, chain 1, skip 1 space and 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 space and 1 double crochet. Repeat the same to the end of the row. Row number 9, you have to start with chain 3 and make in the chain 1 space a puff stitch of 4 yarn overs. You have to make yarn over 1, 2, 3 and 4. Close the stitch and chain 1 and repeat a puff stitch on the next chain 1 space. Close the stitch, chain 1 and repeat the same, and on the next chain 1 space you have to make 1 puff stitch on each chain 1 space and make chain 1 between the puff stitches. Row number 10, you have to start with chain 3 and 1 double crochet around, 1 double crochet on each stitch. Row number 11, a V-stitch of double crochet. You have to skip 1 space, you have to make 1 double crochet and make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet on the same space making a V, skip 1 space, make 2 double crochet on the following space, skip 1 space, 2 double crochet on the following space and repeat the same to the end of the row, making the V-stitch on all the row. Rows 12 and 13, you have to make 1/2 double crochet on each stitch, 1/2 double crochet on each stitch. Rows 14 and 15, you have to repeat the rows 4 and 5. You have to chain 3, chain 1, skip 1 space and 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 space and 1 double crochet. You have to repeat the same to the end of the row on the rows 14 and 15. Row number 16. We have to start with chain 3, turn, and we have to make a decrease of 3 double crochet. On the chain 1 space we have to make 1 double crochet. You don't have to finish it. 1 double crochet on the double crochet of the previous row. You don't have to finish it. 1 double crochet on the chain 1 space. You don't have to finish it, and you have to finish the 3 stitches together. Then chain 3, skip the double crochet and repeat the same with the decrease. 1 double crochet on the chain 1 space, you don't have to finish it. 1 double crochet on the double crochet, you don't have to finish it. 1 double crochet on the chain 1 space, you don't have to finish it, and you have to finish the 3 stitches together. Chain 3, and you have to repeat the same to the end of the row. The decrease of 3 double crochet and chain 3. Row 17 and 18. You have to make 1 double crochet on each stitch. 1 double crochet on each stitch on the row 17 and 18. On the row 17 you have to make 3 double crochet on the chain 3 space and 1 double crochet on the decrease. Three double crochet on the chain 3 space and 1 double crochet on the double crochet on the decrease. Repeat the same on the row 17 and on the row 18. Also 1 double crochet around. You have to finish the double crochets at this point. Now you have to decide how many centimeters you want to open the blouse. In my case, of the 60 centimeters of my blouse, 27 will be the top part, the opened part, and 33 centimeters joined with the other part. So of the 60 centimeters you will have to make single crochet on 33 centimeters and this part of the edge with waves on the 27 centimeters of the top part, and repeat the same on the other side of the blouse, also 27 centimeters and 33 centimeters of single crochet. So you have single crochet in one side, the part of the neck, making like those waves. I will explain you now how to make the waves, and on the other side also waves, and finishing with single crochet. So chain 1, turn, make 1 single crochet on each stitch, make 1 single crochet on each stitch to have 33 centimeters. Once you have the 33 centimeters, you have to repeat. You have to make the waves. To make the waves, you have to repeat 2 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, and 2 treble crochet. Continue with 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and start again with the 2 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 treble crochet, 1 double crochet, and 1 half double crochet. This is what you have to repeat. So we have to make 33 centimeters with single crochet, then make the waves like I explained on the 27 centimeters of the front part, the 27 centimeters of the back part, and finish the rectangle with 33 centimeters again with single crochet. Once you have the two pieces, once you have both pieces, you have to join the two rectangles. You have to join the two rectangles together. I made 2 little samples, and you only have, here you can see the 2 rectangles, and you only have to place the rectangles like this, and so the central part, the part of the single crochet, you have to sew the front and the back part. And you have to sew also the part of the sides, leaving the sleeves, leaving the sleeve holes. Here you can see the original blouse. This pattern is for a medium size, but if you want to make it bigger or smaller, you can make a larger or shorter chain, foundation chain, and make more or less rows to make the rectangle. You can repeat, if you want to make it larger, you can repeat the row that you prefer. Remember that you can also modify the part of the neck and the part of the back.